Hey guys, how is it going? It's Dmitry here. Guys, in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about another interesting functionality, and it's called tagged template literals. And also I'm going to discuss about String.raw. So guys, let's jump to that. First of all, what is template literals? Guys, do you remember previously I discussed about that before? And for example, if you type something like that, const string, I'm going to define a read basic string, and I'm going to use this kind of ticks, or how they call them, angle ticks, I guess. So, and inside, if I'm going to say my name is, and I can specify with the help of curly braces, I can specify the value, right? I can use, for instance, variable. And for instance, if I define variable here, const name, and I say value Dmitry. So now if I'm just log it out, this string, and let's see, what will I get? Okay, fair enough, because I didn't place it here, right? So now it should work. So guys, you can see straight away that you can see Dmitry is here, right? So essentially that's how template literals work, right? But what about this tag template literals, right? What the difference, guys? And let's see what the difference is. Okay, I'm also going to define yeah, I will keep this variable, and I'm going to define the second one. I will call it const city, and I'll say Sydney. And now I'm going to define a function. Actually, I'm going to define string, and later on I'm going to define this function, guys. But just have a look. The string going to be my name is, and as I previously specified, I'm going to use this variable. My name is Dmitry, and I live in, and again I'm going to use this variable city. So guys, and this, once again, this is the function, right? So, and here I'm going to define the actual function. I'm going to say function func, and then I'm going to say strings spread operator and expressions, and I'm going to log out here both of these things. For a string, strings, and then console log and expressions. Here we go, and let's log it out. Okay, it's an issue again, right? Func. I think we define different name, right? Okay, let's run once again. Here we go, guys. So guys, this is the caviar, right? So you can see what's happening here. I defined these two parameters, right, that I'm passing to this function. And the first one, guys, strings, right? These strings, it's going to be an array of strings, and the array, how we come up with this array. So essentially, it's each element of array is going to sit between these variables, guys. So essentially this is the first one, then the second one, and the last one, right, which is essentially empty space, right? So guys, and you can see my name is, then I live, and then space, right, of course, then space, and I live in space. Here you go, guys. And then after city, empty space, right? So guys, and the second parameter expressions, right? So it's essentially array of these two variables, which is Dmitry and Sydney. And that's how, guys, this tag template literals works, right? So you can see straight away you can kind of chunk all this string into, or separate them into, or split it up into two arrays, right? Arrays of strings and arrays of these variables, which is kind of pretty cool stuff, guys. Sometimes it can be super useful, I guess. So guys, let's also discuss about this String.raw really briefly. Guys, let's come up with this kind of example. I'm going to say raw string equal to string dot raw, and I'm going to say 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4, 5 and 6. Console.log, and I'm going to log out this raw string. Let's comment this stuff. So, and if I run it, so guys, you can see here, right, I literally came up with the whole string, right, and even this escape character. So it's still, usually if you know, guys, if you say something like that, so it would say, it would tell to JavaScript, okay, I would like to avoid using this this symbol after escape character. So, and if I run it now, right, it's going to show just 4, 5, right? It's not going to show 6. But if you would like to, to show the whole thing, this is the way to go, right? You can use the string.raw, right? And yeah, that's the main idea of this .raw functionality, or .raw method. Again, if you log it out, you can see straight away the whole string is going to be presented, right? Or is going to be shown. So guys, and that pretty much it. What all the scope that I wanted to cover, I basically covered in this tutorial. And I hope you like this tutorial, guys. If you like it, please press this like button. And guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, guys. I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and I will see you next time, guys. Goodbye.